So today we're going to talk about cropping your photos for Instagram. I have two photos here that I've finished my editing with, and now I want to show them out on Instagram. And I don't want to change the format of these photos. This one right here is the landscape format, and this one right here is actually the portrait format. And I want to kind of leave these photos the way that they are to show them out on Instagram. Alright, so to do that, we'll start with this one right here. And what we're going to do is zoom out a little bit. And the way that you do this is with the crop tool. So the first thing you want to do is Instagram uses a white background, so you can just change to the white background. Okay, make sure that your background over here is white. And then using the crop tool, what you're going to do is you're going to select it and then go up here and change your layout to 1:1. Okay, that's the layout that you're going to use. Now obviously we don't want to crop it this way, but their crop is a square. So the way that this works is just take this upper right corner here and drag it up, and then take this lower left hand corner and just drag it down. Now when you see this image, you've got your border, white border on the top and bottom. It looks terrible in Photoshop, but when you post it on Instagram, this won't even show up. So all you'll see is your actual photograph. And it's the same thing for this photo here. Alright, so in this particular case, I'm going to switch to a black background just for demonstration purposes. And actually what we're going to do is change it from black to something else. We'll just go right up here to blue. I like blue. Just so it's easy to see, because black, and I've got a black background here, you won't be able to see it very well. Alright, so this works the same way. Essentially, you're going to do the crop tool, and what you're going to do is back up a little bit, and all you do is drag this up and to the right, and you'll see it's added this border over here, and then you do the same thing over here. And then you just click X in the corner there. Alright, so then this is the actual image itself as it stands right now. Now if this was a white background, obviously you wouldn't see any difference, but if you've got an image that's got, you know, color or noise or whatever in it, and then it just stops, but it stops at the white, on Instagram you won't even notice the difference. And I can show you an example here using the model that I had in that other photo earlier. You see this is the image right here that I did previously, where it's actually got two white borders on it, but it actually is a portrait style image. And I did the same thing with this one over here. But you can't see it, which is nice. So it blends right in, and it works really well with their format, and that's how you do it.